what's up guys, this is Dave from Crux Moto. So I'm going to show you today how to apply our rear bumper pinstripe on this 2024 Subaru Impreza hatch. The product that we're going to be showing you color-wise is the gloss red, and we're going to go ahead and be starting on this portion right here. This is a multiple piece kit. It's going to be applied completely dry as well. So we're just going to start by cleaning the bumper area to make sure it's clean from any debris. Go ahead and peel your overlay off of the backing material. We're going to be lining in this upper corner first and then working out in both directions. So once you have that corner lined, you're sure you're going to just split the difference all the way down, and then across the top as well. Keep a little bit of tension on the film, you don't have to go crazy. I like to just go every couple inches and give it a little tap just to lock it in there. And once it's aligned, you can go ahead and press it all the way down. And that's the first piece. So with this kit, you don't need to obviously use all pieces. So if you like one style over the other, pick and choose which pieces you use. Next, we're going to be going to this center section. And on this one, we're going to try to align side to side first. And we're going to be following this upper edge. And just go ahead and press that down. Next, the centermost section. Same thing, aligning off the upper edge. We're going to align side to side first, make sure we have it in the right spot. Go ahead and press it down. And finally, on the passenger side, same thing. Starting out at the corner. And then grab your last piece. So again, this is the gloss red foam. I'm gonna try to show you a full. And I'll post a link to this product in the video description below, as well as throw some images straight on here because I have the door shut because of the sun. But it's a pretty easy mod, just basically aligning it and working the material down. Again, this is a gloss red. If you have any questions, let us know. This is available on our website. Link for that is in the video description below. Thanks for watching.